Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? It's another evening, another afternoon, another night, another morning, wherever you're joining from. Super excited. It's a new day. Tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you're joining from. If you can hear me, let me know you can hear me. Type in 11111 if you can hear me on the call today. I'm pumped up. It's another week. What is up at your end? Tell me where you're joining from, guys. What is happening from your end, guys? Hey, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. It's another great session today that I can guarantee you. Oh, Demal Academy is joining from Ikorodu. Thank you. Apollos, how are you doing? Emeka, thank you for joining. What's up, guys? Super excited. You're welcome to Forex Outlook section with Mayowa Owolabi every Wednesday, 2 p.m. West African time. Tell me where you're joining from today. I'm glad to have you guys on. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Emeka is joining from Lagos. Apollos is joining from Trinidad and Tobago. Great. As usual, guys, you want to click on the link. You want to click on the link. Guys, click on the link. Let me, let's get some, let's get more people to see this training. Click on the link. Fantastic. I'm pumped up, guys. I'm pumped. I'm pumped up. I'm excited. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's go. Let's go. Click on the link. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Tell me where you're joining from. Click on the link. Share, share, share. How's your trading going? How's your trading been this week? Last week was amazing. Did did about 39% of my account. Not a bad one at all. Not a bad one at all. Hallelujah. You are good. Baby Paul, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mr. Mayowa, good afternoon. Moka, another good day with you, my coach. Like no other. Well done. Reporting from Lagos, First Stack Lagos. Fantastic. How does news effect affect your trading? We'll talk about that. Dami from Ibadan. Guys, I need us to share. I need us to increase the number right now. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's share, let's share, let's share. Let's help other people. Damilola Pearl, where have you been? Damilola Pearl, where have you been? It's been a while. I've seen you. Need us to increase the number right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Groups. Let's go, let's share, let's go, let's share, let's go, let's share. I have this here already. Discount. Forex. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's share. You have to share. You have to share. Let's share. Let's help other people see these guys. We have to do this again and again. Um, Forex help line. I'm sharing on my YouTube right now. Sharing on my YouTube right now. Good, 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 good. If you have shared, type in 5 if you have shared. Hey, Fakeye, good to have you. Godwin from Anambra, good to have you. Okay, Opemipo is joining from Magodo, good to have you, Opemipo. The Emmanuel Nelson joining from Bombay States, good to have you. Just shared. If you have shared, type in 5. Hey, Charles, how you doing, sir? I'm sharing. I need to share. Let's increase the numbers. Let's just help other people see this. It's free. And if it is free, we should be getting. A lady once chatted me up and said, Mr. Mayowa, with all this you are sharing, you should be having 1,000 people joining. But a lot of people are not. Yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. Hallelujah. You are good. Good, 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 good. Share, 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 share. Good, 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 good. Share, 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 share. Forex cool. Okay. Well, good. So, where are we starting from? Thank you so much. Hey, Timothy Yakubu is joining from Akure. Good to have you on, Timothy Yakubu. How is Akure today? Good to see you, coach. Good to see you too. Joshua Wanchuku, Thanks for joining all the way from Ibafo. Hey, Ikechukwu, how is it going? How is it going? Fantastic. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited to have you guys on today. Good. Let's get to work. How's your trading going? Tell me. How many trades have you picked this week? How many trades have you picked this week? Tell me. How many trades? How many wins? How many trades have you picked this week? How many wins have you taken? How many trades have you taken this week? Tell me. I played 6 trades. Oh, really? How many win? How many win? German said none for one. Not none for now, sorry. That's fine. That's fine. 6 trades, 1 loss. Fantastic. Apollos, 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. Okay, that's fine. Good report, guys. You guys are doing well. You guys are doing well. So as usual, we'll start with market index to be able to know what the market is saying from the investor's point of view. Because once you have that view, you can do well for yourself. But without having that approach, you might have to keep struggling, which is what I don't want you guys to do. Okay, so let's go to index. What is the index market saying? Okay, for those that are just joining for the first time, my name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'm a Forex trader. I'm a wealth creation coach. I just want to see people succeed. And that's why I put this together to share my experience, to be a blessing to you, and you're good to go. Okay? So let's get to work. Emuka says, I have been on EJ, just looking, just took it, waiting for it to return. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. Let's get this. So this is the index that we have here right now, and we are currently on a weekly demand on JPY. However, it's also coming from a monthly supply. So that means that monthly supply is in control right now. Monthly and weekly supply, sorry, is in control right now. And we are in a decision zone. So we need to see if this will gain, if JPY will gain strength or not. If JPY does gain strength, that means that the sell will continue. If the JPY gains strength, that means the sell will continue. But if the JPY loses more strength, that means that the buyers will keep taking control. So we're in a decision zone right now, and we need the market to decide the direction it wants to take. But for me, I would say that I'll be patient with JPY. If you're already in a buy, very good. But if not, you have to wait for the market to clear off this weekly zone. And if it just clears it, that means that the sellers and the buyers will come in basically for JPY, and we can now start looking for an opposing entry zone for the market to give us buy on JPY. And on the chart, we're going to be selling. EJ will sell, AJ will sell, GJ will sell, and we're good to go. So the next one we check is the BUSD. I've told you guys for more than 3 months, that GBP has been weak. Okay, last week I took a counter trend buy, made some money from it, but it didn't come back to my sell zone. So, and because it didn't come back to my sell zone, I'm still waiting for the reversal before the main move happen. Okay, but on a long term, GXY is BXY is weak. Okay, that means that GBP is weak across board long term. Okay, GXY is gaining momentum. I've been expecting a reversal for the market to retrace back down, but it has not decided yet. It's on a flip zone, and anything can happen on a flip zone. So if it can be weak there, then Euro will buy, Euro USD will buy, GBP USD will buy, and they will buy. People can take some buy trades to the top. But if not, we might just start to see USD keep going up. Because of that, you're already seeing the effect on Bitcoin and all other USD pairs. But right now, we're in a place of decision making for DXY. If this zone we hold, that means that the market will see some buys on USD pairs. Okay, Euro is weak also, but it stopped in a demand. So we have to wait for that confirmation. NZD is weak. I've told you guys more than 2 months now, and it will tell on AXY. And GBP on CHED is bullish, and CAD is also on the market. So that is why I've been waiting for Euro CAD sell for a while now. I've been waiting for Euro CAD sell, but the investors have not put in money on CAD. In their money is there, we will see hard pair will drop with power, with strength. Okay, but right now there is no I've not sold Euro CAD. Okay, so that's my bias. GXY indecision is sell GBP weak, sell on GBP pairs. Okay, DXY is still strong, very bullish, but we could see some short retracement, which could lead to US pairs to be buying. EU buy, AU buy, GU. What Powell spoke yesterday and carried down the favor of USD. And does that mean that USD will not retrace? You guys need to know that USD will have to still retrace, no matter how the micro of traders say, oh, microeconomics or micro data is the best. You know, once you leave that you are, if you're a scalper, if you're can intraday, you can do a lot around micro data. But if you're a trader, if you're a trader, micro data will where things will better now. Can you guys see my screen now? Can you guys see my screen now, guys? Tell me. Okay. So what pair do you guys want us to start with today? Tell me. What pair do you guys want us to start with today? Audio is bad. Can you see me now? Is the audio bad? We can see you. Okay, thank you. Is the audio bad? Is the audio okay? Okay, not chat. Okay, cool. Audio is good. Okay. Check your side, Emeka, Emuka. Audio is okay now. We can hear. Okay, cool. So what should we start with? Tell me today. Okay. Rotimi Anthony says AUD USD. Oloje says NZD card. GU Charles. AU Charles. So somebody have seconded AU. So that's good. NJ, N card. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Let's go. go. Let's go. So let's start with AU. AUD Where are you? AUD. Let's go daily. So AUD need to come up to the top for us to sell. That's the only place to sell. And that's the only buyers. You can't buy right now. Because as it is, it's not bouncing anywhere. It's just like in the middle of an ocean. So I'll wait for a retracement to buy AU, sorry. So this will be my bias for AU. Until USD gets a rejection, right now, sellers, AU sell, AU sell. So I'll drop this on the Telegram group. Make sure you are using your own strategy. Remember, I've always told you I don't trade zones. I only take zones as location. I don't trade zones. So what it means is that zones are just point of interest for us. Okay, so if you are using an indicator, RSI, um, stochastics, moving average, all those things that you're using, you will use it in that zone if there is confirmation. That's what it means. Please. Then I don't trade. I always trade with stop loss. Don't send me a chart and say you forgot to put stop loss. I don't put trade. I always trade with stop loss. Okay. Always trade with stop loss. Don't say Mr. Mayowa is the one that sent it, the trade will go. No, I don't trade that way. Even me that I'm sharing my opinion with you, you know, I still make sure I I use stop loss. Okay, so a lot of charts right now here. I've always told you just second that somebody is saying GU. So GU has three people have said G. So let's go and do GU. Okay, I just have 4 pairs to analyze with you per week. I can't analyze all pairs, so you have to try and second. And that's why I tell you the index direction. Index, once you understand what is happening on index, go and implement it. Okay, so that's AU analysis. Let's go to GU. So I will be looking for sell on GU here on a retracement. Okay. But sir, can't we buy since we know it's going up? You can lose a lot of money trying to catch that buy. So my bias for GU is also sell. It's also sell. Okay, so this could happen between now and Friday. That's my bias for GU. So I'll drop these two on the Telegram group. If you are not on the Telegram group, make sure you check the description of the video. You will get that and you're good to go. Okay, let's go in. Let's go. My bias for GU is sell. My bias for GU is sell. Then Timothy says, at what point do you break even? Your strategy, it depends on your strategy. It depends on your strategy. And there are various strategies. So, what strategy are you using? If you are using an indicator strategy, you have to create one. See, because break even is as a result of your experience. Oh, I'll break even at 1 to 3. I'll break even at 1 to 10. I'll break even at 1 to 5. All of those things you are hearing me say is as a result of experience, the experience you have. Okay, so if you don't have an experience, you have to now go and record your trades, journal your trades. So when you journal your trade, you will know, let's say you have taken 10 trades, you can use that to decide that, okay, anytime I make 1 to 3, I will in profit, I'll break even. Okay? So I really don't know how to explain it, but basically what I mean is that it is the strategy you're using that will determine your break even. Some people here, their strategy is 1 to 2. 1 to 2, 1 to 3. That's some people's strategy. My own strategy, if the trade cannot give me 1 to 5, 1 to 10, it's not worthy of my trade. I won't put my money. So that's why I have less trades to pick, because I am not after 1 to 2, 1 to 3. I want to trade well. And when it is right, I want to enter well. So it just depends on your strategy. Is that clear, Timothy? Is that clear? Guys, is AU and GU clear? Is AU and GU clear? AUD and AUD and AUD USD and GBP USD, is it clear? Fantastic. Fantastic. Some people are saying I've done AU. Timothy says ECHF. ECHF. Ikechukwu say EJE card. Ebuka says EJ. Godwin says E card. Okay, so let's do EJ and E card. Let's work with that too. Okay, let's work with that too. But before we go to that too, as usual, I talk about what I put together for you guys. Foundation, the financial market code. If you have this book, type in 5. If you don't have this book, type in 1. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. If you have this book, type in 1. If you don't have this book, type in. If you have this book, type in 5. 5. If you don't have it, type in 1. You are following me. You are learning from me. 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. Go and buy this book. And buy it today. And I've been giving you guys 50% discount. So if you have this book, type in 5. If you don't have it, type in 1. I don't know why you don't have this. You are learning from me free of charge. and you cannot buy a book that will help you scale up. I don't understand. Why are you deceiving yourself? Huh? If you know the kind of books I read, you cannot succeed in forex without training your mindset. See the books I read. Eh? Books on finance, yeah, finance, winning ways. Look at the books I read. Eh? See and look at the books I read. Pathway to wealth. Look at the books I read. Eh? Chat up with Bukola and buy this book now. If you don't buy it, I won't greet you again. Stop struggling now. You don't know that men's success they are in their books. They share with you how they got there. Get that book. Chat up with Bukola and tell her you are getting 50% discount. Okay? Wealth creation code blueprint. Buy it. This is needed so that when you make money from the market, you will invest right. I have cryptocurrency code. I have 21 checklists, and I have EduCell. These are the 6 books I have. I have seven habits. Sorry, 7 battles every financial market trader must fight and win. 7 battles. You have to get that book. A lot of them are e-copies, so reach out to Bukola. It's 10,000 naira, but I've told you guys to buy for 5,000 naira. That is 50% discount. Reach out to Bukola on that number. She's waiting for you. Okay? You come here every week. Some of you want me to mentor you. You can't afford my mentorship. Buy the book. I've written a lot of my stories in those books for you to learn in there. Buy that book. It will help you. And I can guarantee you it will change your way of approaching the market. That's the only way to succeed, guys. That's the only way to succeed. Don't just say you want to succeed and you are not doing what others are doing. You have to do what others are doing, guys. You have to do it. You have to do it. That's the way to get there. That's the way to get there. That's the way to get there. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? That's the way, guys. There's no miracle. I read books. It helps my psychology. Okay? I read a lot of books and I buy a lot of mentorship programs. Not entirely Forex, okay? But I don't joke with, especially somebody that have done what I want to do. I don't joke with them. So far, the person I've done what I want to do, you will see me buy their books, buy their mastermind program. I have a budget every year on mastermind on what I pay on my programs. And you can do the same. Just have a budget. Just have a budget. It will change you. It will change you forever. It will change you forever. Reach out to Bukola. She will attend to you. If you are not in Nigeria, all of them are ebooks. You get them in your email box. Okay, let's get back to work. The next one I want to share with you is I want to give access to 10 people to have access to 2 courses. I want to give you just 5 people today. Is a training on COT report and index. Okay, and this course is actually $1,000 course. Okay, but just 5 people. I'll give you this course for $100 today. Okay, 5 people. Reach out to Bukola. Make sure you are paying today. It's just for today. Okay, I'll give you training on index, how to trade with index. I've always told you that the institutions, basically what they do is they don't trade Euro USD, they don't trade GBP USD. What they trade basically is Euro. So they move money from Euro, they put money in USD. They move money from USD, they put it in. So how do they work with this? Okay, so reach out to Bukola, and just for 5 of you, you get either you are buying the COT trade report training, how to use it, and index training. Okay, how to trade AUD index, NZD index, GBP index, and how to blend them and interpret them. Okay, it's $1,000, so I'll give you for a just for the 5 of you $100. Reach out to Bukola and get that course. Okay, it's a pre-order course, so you have access to that. Show some love now if I'm helping you. Type in 7. Get it today, oh, because once if you are not paying today, don't reach out to Bukola. Bukola will help you. The COT report is $100. The index report is $100. Once you buy it, what the video and implement it. So what it means is that if you are a support and resistance trader, with that understanding, use it there. Okay, if you are a moving average trader, with that understanding, use it there. So let's say, for example, the investors are putting money in Euro GBP. If they're putting money in Euro GBP, what it means is that, oh, sorry, if they're putting money in GBP, sorry, what it means is that GBP will be buying. So once you use that, you can use that to interpret the chart, okay, and you are good to go. So the breakdown is amazing. I myself, I love it. I love it, you know. I love it. Once the video editor is done with the editing, you might not get it for $100 basically, because on our website, it's actually giving us bonus to those in the mastermind group. But a lot of you, you say you can afford $1,000 for 1 year mentorship. Okay, the reason I don't mentor 3 months is because you need more than 3 months basically. Okay, so if you come to our website, on it you see the bonus. Okay, you see the bonus. COT training is $1,000. Okay, currency index training is $1,000. Okay, just that when I finished the record, I said I was going to just be a blessing to you. So you might not get it for that rate. Okay, and some of you that you want my mentorship, just pay for the mentorship. Is 1 year. You have access. Don't need to buy the index. Don't need to buy. Just pay. You have access to 1 year mentorship in the community. The trade ideas, how we trade 1 minute chart, how we trade daily chart, how we swing. You have access to that, and it's amazing. If you want more testimonials, we have close to about 15 testimonials on this page that will turn your head upside down. Okay, that will turn your head upside down. Let me see. There's Victor. Victor was under my tutelage for 6 months. After 6 months, he's banking close to about $1,000 every month to every 2 months. So that's what is possible, okay? But I don't like to sell what people are making. I like to sell what you will gain as value, basically. Okay, so if you want to join the mentorship group, it's still $1,000. I've told you guys that we are increasing the price and we're good to go. Okay, Charles says that I will reach out to Bukola. Reach out to Bukola, buy the book, buy the course. It will change your training forever. Okay, I remember one of my mentors, his course is 36,000 US dollars. I couldn't afford it. Okay, so I bought the courses that were 100, 200 as at 3-4 years ago. Okay, but this year He gave a discount from 36,000. He said we should pay $4,000. I had to pay $4,000 is about 4 million naira. That's a lot of money for some of you, but I paid. Okay, you can only get the best of it from a mentor when you are in his inner circle. Okay, but like I said, I'm here to give you every week free of charge. Okay, because I know some of you can't really afford it, and you are sincere about it. You're sincere. Okay, but buying a course, mentorship, buying the book, at least start by buying books, read the person's mind. Okay, and you're good to go. Good. So uh, okay, let's continue with EuroCAD. So what's my view on EuroCAD and Euro JPY? EuroCAD, Euro JPY. My view, EuroCAD is selling. Guys, I'm selling. I'm selling, but I've not entered. I'm waiting for my last confirmation. I've not sold. I told you guys about this sale last week, and we had a pin bar closed from this zone. And I told you guys this sell will take us for close to about, if this sell holds, we could be able to do about 1,000 pips. Okay. My inner cycle people have been waiting. Would have probably entered, but because our stop loss is always between 5 to 25 pips, that is why we've not entered. Okay. Because when I saw it, it would you'll be taking about 100 pips to take this trade. 100 pips for me is extremely high. Okay, so basically, so I'm waiting for a sell confirmation on this pair. Okay, depending on the type of trader you are, depending on the type of trader you are, um, depending on the type of trader you are, I'm here to see clarity, but the index have called it out, so we're just waiting for confirmation. We're waiting for confirmation. Okay, so I could just do some pending order here. At least with this about 20 pips, 17 pips, which is not bad. Euro card sell. Okay, Euro card sell. Euro card sell. Okay, this is liquidity level. Grab taking up to the top. You should sell from here. But like I told you guys, just go and do your confirmation here, please. Don't go and put pending order. I don't do pending order. I do confirmation. So your strategy, Ichimoku, support area, all those things you are using that you understand, use it around this zone for a sell. With that, put your stop loss, please. Use your calculator. I've trained you over and over again. It is foolishness to keep doing what is not working over and over again. Always use your calculator. Is Euro card clear, guys? Is Euro card clear? Tell me. Is Euro card clear? Fantastic. Fantastic. Please make it simple. Make it simple. Trade your rules. I know you want to make money, guys, but just calm down. Is Euro card clear? So I'll drop Euro card for you in the Telegram group. I'll drop GBP USD for you guys in the Telegram group. Then I'll also drop AUD USD for you guys in the Telegram group. Okay. One to put Joshua says clear, sir. Fantastic. Jeffrey says clear. Jeffrey Wilson says, I have same analysis on EuroCard. Thanks for your confirmation. Wakanda, guys. Wakanda forever. You're welcome, Jeffrey. You're welcome. You're welcome. Claire. So let's do Euro JPY. Let's do Euro JPY. Euro JPY, my bias is sell, but it's been struggling. So because of the index, I have an issue with Euro JPY. I have an issue with Euro JPY. They're in a sell zone, but the index is not clear. Okay, the index. So if you want to do this, I will wait. I will wait. Personally, I will wait. I will wait. Because this is the break of structure. It cleared up. It went up again, cleared it, came down again, you know. So there's a lot of battle here. There's a lot of battle here. This would have been a very good place to sell, but I was asleep. I would have taken a short sell there for continuation. So he also came in here for drop base drop. So he also came in here for a continuation, which is not bad. But my bias for Euro JPY, I'll still say sell, but I need more clarity. Okay, but no buying, no buying, guys, no buying right now. So because the analysis is not clear, I would not drop it on the group for you. I'll not drop it. I always like to trade clear analysis. Okay, clear. It has to be clear. If it's not clear, I stay away from it. So based on the little knowledge about your trading style, you trade price action, but don't try to check news that will be coming out before you start trading for the day. But do you try to check? I don't trade news. I don't trade news. I don't trade news. I would rather because I'm a swing trader. I'm not a day trader. Okay, I'm a swing trader. Just that my team are putting up an intraday strategy. We are testing it currently. If it delivers what we want, we'll give it to you guys. But right now, as a matter of fact, we might end up giving 1 month free signal on the group once we conclude on it. We end up giving free signal. So we spoke about EuroCard, AUD USD, GBP USD, and Euro JPY. Okay, so if you missed this session, you want to watch again to see our analysis. I strongly feel that USD should sell more this week. Okay, so you will have to wait for the retracement back to that zone before we can trade it. Okay, I need to round up now. My time is up. Okay, so reach out to Bukola. Okay, get the books, 50% discount. Get the COT course training, that's 90% discount. Okay, and index training, 90% discount. That's $100. Okay, once the editor is done, you have access to the video. But right now, I'm using my Jesus mind to give you $400, and it's just for 5 people. Okay, just for 5 people to have access to the course. Once the number 5 is done, Bukola will stop, and it goes back to the normal price. Okay, and you are paying today. Okay, you must pay today. Okay, and you know me, you don't get it again at that rate if you're not getting it. Okay, the physical books, you can get them sent to you. Okay, reach out to Bukola, you can get the ones that are printed, you can get them sent to you. You'll get that done for you. The analysis will be dropped in the group. Make sure you use your calculator, make sure you use your checklist to enter at those zones, and you're good to go. Charles says, I'm interested. Fantastic. For any of you that are interested, reach out to Bukola. She will get you started. Right. Delma Academy says, sir, please help check GBP. Let's round up on GBP, JPY. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Quick one. If JPY is selling, if JPY is gaining strength, GBP JPY will be selling. That's it. Shikena. JPY is selling. The guy is selling, no buyers. The guy will sell. That's exactly what happened. He's selling right now. Don't buy anything. Let me see the daily time frame. Just took off from that daily demand, daily supply. Sell, guys. Sell. And the only place I will buy is here. Sell. So you can go to 1 hour or 30 minutes and start looking for sell opportunities in the direction. Maybe sell here, maybe sell here. Just keep selling. Remember, GXY is weak. GBP is weak. And JXY is not gaining strength. So you sell, guys. Hope that helps. Sell. Sell. Sell, seller, sellest. If there's an English like that. Okay, guys. Have a great evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m., where we'll talk about the cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about 5 reasons why the cryptocurrency will dip more before the bullish run. I've told you guys since last year, stop buying cryptocurrency. And people are like, Mr. Mayowa is saying his own. I think right now, you know. See, I've been here for about 10 years, okay? I've been in the crypto space for about 4 years. 2018, about 4 years, okay? So I've lost money in crypto, I've made money in crypto. So when I talk, listen. So tomorrow I'll tell you why you need to be trading futures. Market is going to dip more, okay? 5 good reasons, and I'll also analyze. I've told you guys, you are buying Bitcoin, anything below 10,000. For buying Ethereum, anything below 400. You know, we'll talk about crypto more tomorrow. So guys, see you guys tomorrow. Have a pleasant evening. My name remains Owolabi. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye. 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 Okay, the 5 of you that are getting the offer today, reach out to Bukola. That's the number on your screen. Get the book, read the book. Hey, Apollo said he's going to do a review. Please do the review. Please do the review. 1 minute is fine, or 2 minutes is fine. Tell me more what you learned in the financial market code. I don't know why all Nigerians are not buying the book. When somebody in Trinidad and Tobago have bought the book. Okay? Peace out, guys. Enjoy.